DLSS missing, not showing, 100% working steps. Before you start, important, DLSS only works on NVIDIA RTX 2030-40 series. If you have AMD Radeon, you won't see DLSS. Use FSR or XeSS if offered instead. Plug in your laptop, no battery saver, and close overlays. Discord, MSI Afterburner / Riva-Tuner, Xbox Game Bar, GeForce Overlay to avoid hidden grade settings. A. NVIDIA RTX users make DLSS appear. 1. Update graphics driver, clean install. 1. Open NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience drivers, download and install. 2. Choose custom clean installation if available, resets old profiles that can hide options. 3. Restart your PC. 2. Force the game to use your RTX GPU. 1. Windows settings, system, display, graphics. 2. Click Browse, add your Battlefield 6.exe, bf6.exe. Click it, Options, choose High Performance, Save. 4. Open NVIDIA Control Panel, manage 3D settings, program settings, add bf6.exe, set preferred graphics processor, high performance NVIDIA processor, apply. 3. Make sure the game is running DirectX 12. 1. Launch the game settings, video graphics. 2. Renderer API set to DirectX 12 DX11 can hide DLSS in many games. 3. Apply and restart the game if it asks. If there's a launcher option for command lines, you can also add -DX12. 4. Reset the in-game video config, recreates clean settings. 1. Close the game. 2. Go to Documents, Battlefield 6 Settings, or similar EA folder. 3. Backup, then delete the config file, S, like profsave profile /settings.json. 4. Launch the game. It will rebuild clean settings, often makes DLSS show up. /5. Verify, repair the game files, restores missing DLSS DLL. EA app, library, click Battlefield 6, manage, repair. Steam, library, right-click Battlefield 6, properties, installed files, verify integrity. Open quote, this step restores NVNGX DLSS.DLL, the DLSS runtime. If it was missing or corrupted, DLSS won't appear. Close quote. #6, clear shader caches, fixes hidden gray options. 1. Close the game. 2. Press WinR, paste descent local app data to NVIDIA DX cache, delete contents. 3. Again WinR, sent local app data to GL cache, delete contents. 4. Optional, NVIDIA Control Panel, manage 3D settings, set shader cache size, driver default, then apply. 5. Reboot PC. #7, unhide the upscaler menu, common conflicts. In settings, video graphics, disable any dynamic resolution like /resolution scale sliders first. Set upscaling to on, then pick DLSS. Choose a mode, quality, balanced, performance. If you have RTX 40 series, enable frame generation after DLSS is on. Some games hide FG until DLSS is active. 8. Laptop-specific check MUX hybrid. If your laptop supports it, switch MUX to DGPU only in BIOS or vendor app. In NVIDIA Control Panel PhysX, set processor, NVIDIA GPU. Make sure Windows Power Mode equals best performance. 9. Last resort, reinstall anti-cheat, rare but real. From the game's install folder, run the EA anti-cheat installer and repair reinstall. Then run repair game files again. Step 5. B. AMD Radeon users, what to do? DLSS won't show by design. DLSS is NVIDIA only. On AMD, do this to get the same upscaling boost. 1. Update AMD driver. Open AMD software Adrenaline, check for updates, install, restart. 2. Enable the correct upscaler in-game, settings, video graphics, upscaling, select FSR 2/3, or XeSS if available. Choose a mode, quality, balanced, performance. If FSR 3 frame generation is offered, turn frame generation on. 3. Avoid conflicts. In Adrenaline, disable Radeon Super Resolution RSR when using the in-game upscaler. RSR can override hide options. Set anti-lag plus boost to off if the game uses its own latency features and you see missing grade toggles. C. If DLSS FSR is still missing after all steps, 1. Remove third-party mods, reshades, can block upscaler menus. 2. Full screen exclusive, not borderless. Some games expose options only in FE mode. 3. Windows fully up-to-date plus install Microsoft Visual C++ Team 2022 redistributables. 4. Reinstall the game to a different drive, clears stubborn file remnants. 5. Check you're not using very low internal resolution or dynamic resolution locks that hide the upscaler menu. TLDR for your video description, paste this. 1. Update GPU driver, NVIDIA AMD, reboot. 2. Force high-performance GPU, Windows NVCP. 3. Switch to DX12 in settings or NICE DX12. 4. Delete config in Documents Battlefield 6/settings. Relaunch 5. Repair verify game files restores NVNGX to DLSS.DLL. 6. Clear NVIDIA DX cache GL cache. Reboot. 7. In-game upscaling DLSS RTX or FSR XeSS AMD. Pick a mode. 8. Close overlays. Disable dynamic resolution. Enable FG after DLSS RTX 40. 9. Laptops mux to DGPU high performance. 10. If needed, reinstall anti-cheat, remove mods, reshade, reinstall game. Want me to turn this into a short on-screen checklist for your video B-roll and a pinned comment version?